Hey Hairistas, welcome to another episode of This Curl Life. I'm Melissa, aka Ms.Hairista, and today we are going into the third episode of my Simplify Your Curl Routine series. If you've been enjoying this series so far, take a second and hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. So I'm going to get a little bit of flack for saying this, but are you someone that struggles with their curl routine, whether it be chronic dryness or tangling, and your hair just seems unpredictable, you don't know what to do with it? If you answered yes to any of these questions, I'm going to advise you to stop the DIY hair treatments. Stop it. Now, before you roll your eyes or say anything, give me a chance to explain these 3 reasons to why you should stop using homemade DIY hair treatments. So clients come to me all the time and they say, oh, my hair is just so dry. And I say, okay, so what's your weekly routine like? How do you take care of your hair? And they say, well, it's pretty straightforward. I just pre-poo with coconut oil, and then I wash it with bentonite clay, and then I take some baking soda and, to open the cuticle. And then I condition and pour some apple cider vinegar over my head, and I'll style with my homemade flaxseed gel. And it's on a good day, it takes like 4 hours. And, and it's fine. But then the next day, my hair is just so dry. It's just so dry. So people are under the assumption that because they're using an ingredient that's natural, that they can use it however which way they want. In reality, a lot of natural ingredients are very powerful. They're very potent, and they can cause damage to the hair if you don't know how to use them properly. I mean, baking soda is highly alkaline. Apple cider vinegar is extremely acidic. It has a pH of like 2 to 3 when the pH of your hair is around 4.5 through 5.5. I recently watched a stylist on a live who said that she uses apple cider vinegar to kill the fleas on her dog. So she used it one time to kill the fleas when her dog had fleas. So if apple cider vinegar can kill a living organism, do you think it's a good idea to just dump it on your head without knowing how to dilute it properly? And what about oils? I can't tell you how many people come into the salon and their hair is so greasy. Like the grease just transfers onto my hands because they are completely overdoing it with the coconut oil and the olive oil and whatever oil that they find. And people love to complain about silicones, but they don't realize that a lot of oils are harder or just as hard to remove from the hair as many silicones. So if you don't know the basics of hair care, if you don't fully understand the basics of hair care, and if you can't use or you have trouble using pre-packaged products that were formulated by professional stylists and chemists, do you think it's a good idea to experiment with your kitchen ingredients and call that hair care? So I don't know about you, but when I wash my hair, I want a lavish, luxurious experience with products that smell like jasmine and vanilla and lavender, and I want the full experience. I want it to be enjoyable. I want to feel creamy products in my hair washing. It has to be an experience for me. DIY hair treatments don't tend to be very lavish. They don't tend to be very luxurious. A lot of times they smell, they look gross. So why would anyone want to wash their hair if they think it entails a lot of work, making a mess in their kitchen and bathroom, and smelling like a salad dressing? So why make your routine more complicated? Does the idea of buying a prepackaged product with a click of a button not sound more fun and easy, appealing? You are creating the messy 10-step routine for yourself. No one else is. And how you go about your routine impacts how you view your wash day and whether you enjoy it or not. We are in rough times right now. Most of us are quarantined, and even though things seem to be getting better in some places, there are a lot of people struggling out there. A lot of stylists, a lot of small and local business owners. So maybe it's a good idea to take this as an opportunity to support them. Instead of doing DIY treatments, maybe try a product that your local stylist is selling on her website. Maybe support a small hair care line that you've seen online or at a store. And that way you are helping the community. You're helping the industry stay afloat. I know this is a hard time for everyone, and a lot of people are going through some financial difficulties right now. But by purchasing products from other stylists, you are really helping them out. And trust me, a lot of them are struggling right now. So leave your olive oil and vinegar and your avocado, put that on your salad, and support small businesses. Now, if you love homemade hair treatments and you know how to take care of your hair and you just love, for whatever reason, love the thrill of mixing up a nice deep treatment for yourself, live your best life. Do you. If DIY hair treatments make you happy, then by all means, please go ahead and keep doing them. The point that I'm trying to get across is that you do not, by any means, need to use homemade hair treatments to have healthy, manageable hair. There are thousands of products out there, prepackaged, professionally formulated out there. And I guarantee you that there are plenty that will work for you. So if concocting a DIY treatment, a mask, or a rinse in your kitchen is fun for you, if you enjoy it, but go ahead. Me personally, I do not like the kitchen. If you know me, you know that I don't even like making food for myself. So there's no way that I'm gonna enjoy mashing up some mayo and eggs and avocado to put in my hair. I like to keep things simple. So at this point in my life, nothing about a homemade hair treatment speaks to me. So what is your opinion of DIY hair care? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Leave a comment below. So let me know if this video was helpful to you, and I have a few more videos coming in this series, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching This Curl Life, where you can learn to love your hair one curl at a time.